Septic tanks popping up out of the ground is way more common than you'd think, and if your tank's riser caps look brand new, you gotta act fast before it turns into a floating mess. So here's the deal. First, if your septic tank just got installed and you see it rising, hit up the installer or designer right away. They're supposed to know that fresh tanks need to be weighted down to stop them from floating up, usually by filling them with water right after installation. Don't just wait around hoping it'll settle itself. Run a hose into the tank for at least an hour to fill it up and weigh it down good. Check if the ground around the tank is washing away too, because if it's getting eroded, that could make the problem worse by making space for the tank to shift. Sometimes the soil or groundwater pushes the tank up, so a pump system might be necessary to keep water from building pressure under the tank. Once they pump your tank out, keep water running into it for 8 to 10 hours so it fills back up and stays put. Also, keep an eye on the area during heavy rain or storms, since saturated soil can cause the tank to float again if it's not properly anchored. One of the biggest mistakes people make is ignoring rising septic tanks because they think it's no big deal, but that just leads to costly damage later on. Another common issue is not filling the tank with water right after installation. Without that weight, it's basically a giant buoy ready to pop out. The third mistake is forgetting about soil erosion or groundwater pressure around the tank, which can push it up even if it's full. To fix these, always confirm with your installer that they've filled and anchored your tank properly, monitor the soil and ground conditions around the tank regularly, and don't hesitate to ask for a pump system if groundwater is a problem in your area. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff for projects like septic tank installation and maintenance. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work from people who actually need expert help nearby.